on. Tree.
Okay.
It's up. So, what do it?
I'm just listening.
Fuck it up.
Is that right?
Oh, do it. Up and that.
Mhm.
Up and up.
Oh.
Oh, no.
What, baby? Are you trying to go up? You show me how you go? Yeah. Not the same as when you saw it in your dream, is it? You can't actually fly.
Okay.
That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Mhm. Do you have anything else to say to the world? If there's one thing that you could tell everybody on YouTube, what would it be? You would just tell them thank you? Yeah. Anything else? What would you tell them? Amen? Oh, good job. Is that what you said? Were you just praying? Good job. Amen. She's praying again. Who are you waving at?
I think I got it.
You see the door? Is that right?
Do it.
Okay, I'll do it.
You got.
Thank you. I don't know what door you want me to open, sweetheart. I don't know what door you're seeing. You see the door? I wish I could, sweetheart, but I don't think I can do that. Only you can see the door. Yeah, baby?
Mommy?
Yep.
Mom?
It's Mom.
Where's Bobby?
Bubby's out in the other room.
Okay. I'll bring Bobby inside.
Oh, okay.
Bye-bye, Dada.
Bye-bye.